Hello everyone, Rachel here from Journal with Ray, and welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you my January setup, the new setup for the new year. It's crazy that 2020 is already here. A lot of big things are happening in 2020 and I'm so excited to get it started. But for now, I'm going to show you how I did my simple monthly setup. I'm switching it up a little bit this month. If you've been around here for a while, you know that I really like doing a 2-page monthly calendar. But this month I'm going with a half-page little mini calendar instead. I found that in December I wasn't really utilizing the full space, so I thought, why waste the pages in my new journal? So I figured I will just make a small calendar. So that is what I am doing here. All of my boxes for this calendar are 3x3 squares. You might have already guessed from my left-hand page, that is my January cover, and my theme this month is going to be feminine science. As some of you already know, I'm a biology major and I am in my final semester starting in the spring, and I thought it'd be really fun to kick off the new year theme doing something related to what I'm studying. So I'm going to be doing a science-based theme. I'll be throwing in some elements of pink and florals and sparkles because that is who I am. I just really love those elements. I'm going to be incorporating that into my STEM theme. I just taped down a header that says overview. I lettered that with my Tombow Funosuke brush pen. I think that's how you say it. If I am wrong, please correct me politely in the comments. But I lettered all of my headers prior to filming the video. I lettered those last night. I got into a little bit of a journaling kick last night, but I was also trying to finish a final paper for one of my courses. So I was like, I can't film my video right now, I have a lot to do, but I really need to do something creative to let my brain rest for a little bit. And so I compromised with myself and I lettered out all of my headers last night and then kind of planned my setup for today. I am really excited about the stickers and sticky notes and all different elements that I'm going to be using this month. My dear friend Ro, she's at sincerely.ro on Instagram. She sent me an entire Stickii Club pack of science-y, vintage, medicine-looking stickers. And they're so cute, and that kind of inspired my entire theme. You can see on the left-hand cover page 2 of those stickers, the giant one and then the little bottle on the left side. Those came from the pack, and I just really loved them, and so I decided to make a whole theme based around them. The sticky note I just pasted down is also from that collection. So Ro, thank you so much. I love my sticker pack, and it's the best. Getting that gifted in the mail was one of the best things that happened to me this week. At my university, it's finals week. Today was the last day of the term, and getting that sticker pack from Ro just really made my whole week. Finals have been stressful, and this whole semester has been stressful. But it's over. Everything's good. I did really well on my final exams, and I'm waiting to hear what I got on my final paper. I turned that in this morning. But it's been a good semester. I only took 14 credits, so I was able to really focus on each of my classes more closely than I have in the past. And it was really good. I'm hoping to make Dean's List for my college, and hopefully my GPA will get a little bit of boost, because that would be nice. I only have one more semester to take more classes and raise my GPA before I graduate, so I'm really hoping I can get a nice little boost from this semester. But I can't believe I graduate in 2020. That's only 5 months till graduation. I graduate in early May. And that's just gonna be crazy. I have some plans lined up for what to do after graduation, but that's still private for now. But I'm really excited for the next adventure. I've been applying for positions at universities as a research associate, research assistant, things like that. I really enjoy microbiology and genetics work. So I'm hoping to land some positions. I have 35 applications out so far. So keep me in your thoughts, wish me luck if I need to get a job. But I'm excited for what the future holds. I turned 22 in 2020, and that's just crazy to me. No longer be 21. I feel like it took forever to get to 21, and now it's almost done. The year's almost done, and that's just weird. But yeah, this year is going to be full of big changes and surprises and challenges, but I don't know, I'm really excited for it. Usually I get nervous around the new year, but I can't wait to see what this year has in store for me. Alright, back to the video. Right now I am just filling in my little things section. I've been doing this in my monthly since November. For this month I wrote down new ideas, snowflakes, confidence, and cozy days. All of those things are January to me, and I tried to be both literal and a little more abstract feeling based for my little things this month. It took me forever to get to this point with my spread. It took me, well, it says 6 minutes for you guys. It took a lot longer in real life to actually finish that page. I was so indecisive with it. Now I'm going to do a half-page spread for my books to read in January, and I'm going to do a mood board. I haven't done a proper mood board in a long time, and I'm very excited. I do little collages all the time, but I love a classic mood board. And I'm excited for you guys to see it. It's a little bit more unstructured than I'm used to, but I think it turned out pretty cute. You can see again I'm taping down those pre-written headers. So right now I'm drawing a little tiny calendar for the month of January, and I'm going to put a little dot on every day of the month that I actually sit down and read. With the winter break coming up starting tomorrow, I will have a lot more time to read and actually get through some of the books on my to-be-read list. So I'm hoping to get through 2 or 3 books minimum over the break, because that would be ideal. I haven't read in a little bit since I finished Six of Crows, because it's just been really busy with Dead Week and Finals Week at school. I was so indecisive with my stickers, y'all. They're all so cute, and I had too many ideas happening at once, and I couldn't really decide what I wanted to do. And it just looks like I keep putting Maddie stickers away, and I really wanted to use them, but I couldn't figure out the right stickers to use. And I love her stickers, and I use them later. But I just felt so bad. It looks like I just keep putting hers away. So I'm sorry, Maddie. I love your stickers, and I'm really sorry. But I love that I found a little book sticker to go on my books page. I forgot that was on the Stickii Club pack. And it just fits so well underneath my little mini calendar. Here are some photos that I got from Unsplash. I am moving away from Pinterest for my monthly photos. I am starting to use Unsplash. It was recommended to me by some other lovely people on the Bujo Instagram community. And Unsplash's photos are all royalty copyright free, I believe. And so you don't have to worry about using stolen photos, stolen artwork, anything like that. All of them are ready to use for your journal. You don't have to worry about it. And I think it's a great alternative to Pinterest. And so Pinterest is great for gathering inspiration for what you would like to do, or just getting an idea for a theme, or anything outside of journaling, like meals and clothing and all of that. But I'm starting to move away from actually printing out and using those photos in my journal, because at the end of the day those photos don't belong to me. And so that's why I think Unsplash is great. This is the first month I have committed to Unsplash, and I'm really excited about it because there are a lot of cool photos on there. If you want to know more about Unsplash, I learned about it from Lily on Instagram. Her @ is LilyNZST, and she has a lot of great information about why you should use Unsplash. So I would definitely go check that out. Alright, I'm almost done with my mood board. I am just lettering the word balance because that is something I've always struggled with, and I really want to channel that in January to get me off on a good foot, the right foot, a good start. That's what I'm trying to say. I want to get off to a good start in January with the new year and the new semester, and so I thought balance would be a good word. I'm not doing a word of the year. That's a lot of commitment, and I'm not about that, but I think a word of the month is more doable. My word of the month will be balance. And I'm just doing my brain dump. I'm doing something very simple. I like to have lots of space to write. So I'm just going to do a pink border around the edge with my Tombow dual brush pen. And then I will go over with some stickers. After I filmed it, I decided the pink wasn't enough, so I went over with black as well to give it a more sketch-like effect. It turned out really cool. You'll see it at the end when I do my up-close aesthetic shots, if you will. I'm just feeling very chatty today, y'all. I don't know what's gotten into me. Usually it takes me a really long time to record these voiceovers because I don't know what to say, but today it's just rolling. Tomorrow I'm going home for the holidays. Home is 3 hours from my university, so tomorrow I will be driving home with a friend, and my boyfriend, and we will be driving home and spending a couple weeks with our families and our friends. Tomorrow I have a Christmas party to go to already, and it's just crazy. But tomorrow's the solstice, and that's really exciting. I'm hoping after the Christmas party I can just stay home and observe solstice and really be thankful for what I've had this year and be thankful for the season. I'm mostly just looking forward to having a break from school and from my organizations and all of my obligations and responsibilities. It'll be really nice to just have a break where I don't have any deadlines or anything to do. And I'm really excited to just sit down and be creative. I have a couple spreads left to do in my 2019 bullet journal, even though I'm starting my 2021 in the video. But I have a couple spreads left, a couple collabs, a couple shops I want to showcase. And I'm just excited to have fun with it and run with it. I haven't really had time to sit down and do things that make me really happy creatively just with how busy school has been. So I'm really looking forward to having some time to just be and to explore. I also want to read a lot, I mentioned that earlier, and I would also like to watch some shows on Netflix. And I just want to relax. I'm excited. That sounds perfect. But tonight I'm going to read. I'm going to continue reading The Wicked King by Holly Black. I am just a couple pages into it. I read a couple pages and was like, you know what, I should study. So tonight I want to get farther in, at least 50 pages. So we'll see how far I get in. I had trouble placing stickers in this video. I don't know why. It was just so hard to get them straight. Oh, I didn't even mention it. I got a tripod as an early Christmas gift from my partner, and I'm using that to film this video. If you notice that the angle is a little bit different. I hope this angle is good. I think it looks good, but you guys let me know. But this was a really doable way to use my tripod. It's a really easy setup for me to do and use my phone to film. And so if you guys like this, let me know. If you have any suggestions, please feel free to politely suggest them below. But yeah, I'm really happy with how this angle looks and how my tripod's working for me. I will link the one I have in the description if you are interested in purchasing it for yourself. It's not sponsored, not affiliated, anything like that. So I won't make any money off of that or anything, so don't worry. And I will also link all of my rep codes and social media links below as well if you're interested in that. I'm almost done with my setup. I'm just going to letter the days of the week with my Tombow dual brush pen. That's not what this one is. This is a Tombow Funosuke pen. I have too many Tombow pens, y'all, but they're so good. You need some quality pens. I would highly recommend these. And at the end there, that stands for next week. I like to write down any notes or tasks that I have to look forward to next week. I want to use that sticker so bad, but I haven't found the right spot for it yet. Alright, y'all, we're all done. I'm going to do a flip through, and I'm also going to show you my 2020 setup at the beginning as well. But that's all I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed my fun and quirky January setup, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!